Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the 512GB memory card support test in the Realme 7 5G device. So this is a Realme 7 5G, so which is also called as a Realme Q2 or Realme 7 Pro, or which has a 5G variant. So this is a 5G variant, friends, basically which has the Dimensity 800U processor, as you can see here. So let me try to show you Dimensity 800U processor. So by the time I'm making this video, the naming is not yet confirmed in India. So that's why I'm trying to show you the processor itself. So it is a 512GB memory card which I got here, and let's see whether the phone will actually capable of supporting the 512GB memory card or not. And in case if you want to know more details about this device, so make sure to subscribe and do check the links in description for more details on this device. So try to check the playlist, and that will be helping you a lot in terms of knowing more information about this particular phone. So let me try to quickly open the SIM card tray and let me try to connect here. So it is a SD card, friends. I am trying to keep the SD card, and this is a hybrid slot, not the 2+1. So this is a hybrid slot. So unfortunately you don't have 3 slots here right now. So as soon as the memory card has been inserted, the notification, as you can see, it's reading. So let's see whether it will be able to detect or not. So I think the SD card has been detected successfully. You can manage, as you can see, friends, clearly. So you can clearly see the SD card has been detected. So let me try to quickly show you the file manager as well. So default file manager I'm trying to use. So this is a default file manager, and you can see the card as well, SD card. So here is the SD card, and which is loading pretty much fast, so no issues at all. So let me try to quickly load this video, whether it will be playing or not. So this is a 8K video which I'm trying to play directly from the SD card. So this is playing from the SD card, friends, remember, not from the ROM. It's playing from the 512GB SD card memory card here. So overall the 512GB is kind of supporting in this phone, so no issues in terms of not supporting. So it's supporting properly. So the video is of 8K video, so that's why it's taking a little bit kind of long time for the loading in this phone, but otherwise it would have loaded very faster. So let me try to copy the same file from the SSD to the phone storage, so you know exactly it's working. As you can see, the file is successfully copying from the memory card to the phone. So this is a 512GB memory card size. So let me try to cancel. So this is a quick review, friends, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.